Alright, here we go again. 2015 Chevy Corvette. This has a Z51 package. So see the slots in the rotor, or the rotors. The red calipers. And then these actually have the carbon seats. See the carbon fiber? It's a cool color. It's like a real dark brown, which I typically don't like the tan interiors, but because this is dark, it's actually, I like the look of it a lot. And it has a suede shift knob and a suede steering wheel and a suede A-pillar here. So the regular base Corvette, the one that I have, doesn't have any of that. Again, this has the exhaust with the splitters, where you can have the flaps open or shut. Mine didn't have that. Mine just had the basic exhaust. This has a HUD, the heads-up display, comes up on the windshield right there. Mine didn't have that. Has a heated, cool seats. Mine didn't have that. So this has quite a bit of stuff that mine didn't have. This same year, 2015. It is an 8-speed automatic. So it may have the same issues with the transmission. It only has 10,000 miles. They're looking for $55,000 for it. So it has a nice sound to it. The mufflers are still on it. So I'm gonna get a muffler delete right away. See, mine had gray carpet. This one has a dark tan. So this one's actually gonna be a lot better. Other than that, everything's the same. It does have navigation on it. So mine didn't have navigation, so that's cool. See, it's really nice in here. So mine didn't have any of that navigation stuff. And then you can just type in to go home. It gives you all the regular stuff. And yeah, there's quite a few things that this one doesn't have that mine does. I'm sorry, that mine doesn't have that this one does. So National Corvette Museum delivery. That's kind of cool. It's a personalized plate. But of course I got to get rid of that because I am not Roger James Scarlett. But so we'll see what happens. It's only 10,000 miles, so it's basically brand new. But it doesn't, I'm not gonna have to pay that depreciation from buying a brand new car. I wish the stitching would kind of match up. It'd be kind of cool if instead of doing the black, what do they call it, Alcantara. See, it's already dirty. It's already hard too, so it's beautiful, but I know it's not gonna stay good for long. But I do love the seats. It's pretty cool. So yeah, with the muffler delete, that's going to sound 50 times better. Let's see what else they have. So OnStar, I didn't have that. PDR, I think that's the camera. Yeah, if this has that, that's really cool. Well, let's go see if it has it. Wait. Oops. So when you don't want to get fingerprints on your Corvette, you shut it using the handle. That's when you know you're meticulous about your car. Well, there's no cameras in here, so I don't know why it would give me a PDR option. Maybe it just gives you the option even though you don't have it. But anyway, folks, here's the good old Stingray. So we'll see what happens. Hope you all have a good day. Subscribe if you haven't done so, if you would. And we'll see how all this stuff pans out. Peace.